Hi, Dsoutherton here. In this YouTube episode, we look at our Korean business workshops and programs. We offer complete services from executive level coaching to popular group workshops and one-on-one online classes. Our courses provide deep insights into Korean business, whether for a new hire, teams, or those of you who have been long engaged. To register for the executive, individual, or group workshops, please call, text, email, or message. We can discuss what program best suits you and get you scheduled. All are excellent programs for anyone working with Korea. The classes are solution-oriented, highly interactive, and include Q&A and timely topics. Until next time, this is Dsoutherton wishing you all the best.